Hello children, this is retirement of a partner, goodwill adjustment, and now we are going to discuss the second case when goodwill exists in the books. Okay, let's see how to do this one. When goodwill exists in the books, goodwill existing in the books of accounts is written off by debiting all partners' capital accounts, including retiring partner in their old profit sharing ratio. So already one goodwill will be there in the books of accounts. First we need to cancel that goodwill. First we need to write off that goodwill. So for writing off that goodwill, journal entry is all partners capital accounts debtor to goodwill account. And this will be writing off in their old profit sharing ratio including the retiring partner. Okay. So if three partners are there, and the third one was retiring, journal entry will be A's capital account, B's capital account, C's capital account debtor to goodwill account, and we will be distributing this one. We will be writing off this one in their old profit sharing ratio. Okay. Thereafter, retiring partner's share of goodwill is credited in his capital account by debiting gaining partner's capital accounts in their gaining ratio. After that, firm's goodwill we need to adjust between the gaining partner and the sacrificing partner. Here, sacrificing partner is the retiring partner. Okay. So, journal entry is gaining partner's capital account debtor to retiring partner's capital account. Okay, gaining partner should compensate retiring partner's share of goodwill. Okay, in their gaining ratio. So journal entry is gaining partner's capital or current account debtor to retiring partner's capital or current account. Okay, so retiring partner should get his share of goodwill, and this should be borne by the gaining partners in their gaining ratio. Okay. So current account will come if it is fixed capital account method. Otherwise, unless stated otherwise, partners capital account should be assumed to be fluctuating. So journal entry will be gaining partners capital account debtor to retiring partners capital account. If it is mentioned in the question, partners are maintaining fixed capital accounts. In that case, instead of capital account, current account will come. Okay, gaining partners current account debtor to retiring partners current account. So this is the journal entry. Now let's do one question. So this is the question. Hani, Pammy and Sunny are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2:1. Okay, this is the profit sharing ratio. Goodwill is appearing in the books at a value of 60,000. Goodwill already existed in the books of the firm, that is 60,000. That amount we need to cancel between the partners. Okay. Now, Pammy retires. Who is retiring? The second one is retiring. Pammy retires, and at the time of Pammy's retirement, goodwill is valued at goodwill is valued when Pammy is retiring, that is 84,000. Hani and Sunny decided to share future profits in the ratio 2:1. Okay, so what are the information given in the question? Three partners are there. Hani, Pammy and Sunny. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Goodwill appearing in the book, it is 60,000. Now the second partner Pammy is retiring, and on his retirement, firm's goodwill is valued at rupees 84,000. Hani and Sunny decided to share the continuing partners' new profit sharing ratio, that is 2:1. Okay, so first we can do the working notes. So Pammy is retiring. Let's find out his share of goodwill. He is 2. 2 is his share of profit. So 2 by 6. 3 plus 2 plus 1. It is 2 by 6 is Pammy's share of profit. And goodwill of the firm is valued at 84,000. So 84,000 into 2 by 6. Okay. That is Pammy's share of goodwill. Firm's goodwill into Pammy's profit share. Okay, so 84,000 into 2 by 6, that is 28,000. This 28,000 should be borne by the gaining partners in the gaining ratio. So we need to find out the gaining ratio as the second working note. What is the equation for calculating gaining ratio? New ratio minus old ratio. What is the new ratio? It is given in the question 2:1. The continuing partners, that is Hani and Sunny, decided to share their future profits in the ratio 2:1. So that is the new profit sharing ratio. And old ratio of Hani, Pammy and Sunny is 3:2. So gaining ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. For Hani, it is new ratio 2 by 3 and old ratio 3 by 6. Okay. And for Sunny, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. I got. So 1 is to 1. Okay. 1 by 6, 1 by 6. So the gaining ratio is 1 is to 1. So in this 1 is to 1, I should distribute this 28,000. Okay. This 28,000, Pami should get this 28,000 and this 28,000 should be borne by Hani and Sunny in the ratio 1 is to 1, as 1 is to 1 is their gaining ratio. Okay, Pami's profit share is going to gain by Hani and Sunny equally, 1 is to 1 ratio. Okay. Yeah, now let's pass the journal entry. So already one goodwill is there in the books of accounts, is it? Goodwill existed in the firm, that is 60,000. So first we need to write off that goodwill to all the three partners in their old profit sharing ratio, that is 3. Okay, so Hani's capital account debtor, Pami's capital account debtor, Sunny's capital account debtor to goodwill. The 60,000 I distributed in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. So 30,000, 20,000, 10,000. Okay. So already one goodwill was there in the books of accounts. I cancel that goodwill now by debiting all partners capital account. Okay. Now the second adjustment we need to do. 28,000 in the last working note we got Pami's share of goodwill is 28,000 and the gaining ratio is 1 is to 1. So that 28,000 we should adjust between the gaining partners and the sacrificing partner. Hani and Sunny are the gaining partners. So Hani's capital account debtor, Sunny's capital account debtor to Pami's capital account 28,000 and this 28,000 distributing in the ratio 1 is to 1 as that is the gaining ratio. Okay, adjustment of goodwill in gaining ratio. So this is how you have to solve this question.